At this point, we know how to use two drawing tools. We know how to use the oval and we know how to use the text note. So let's practice them using them together. We're going to start with the oval first. So remember, we're going to one click, blue square goes up. We're going to drag that over our candle. One click to release it. Our oval is drawn over our candle. So now we're going to go back down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Active tools pop up. Click it. Now we're going to go to text note. One click. And now that tool is activated. That means we can use it. So what we're going to do is go up to the high. We're going to give it one left click. The note box will appear. So we're going to put high up here. That is there. Now what happens if we do not like that arrow? We're going to right click. Then we're going to go to edit. And we're going to go text because that is the text note tool. So it do populate up here. So we're going to go in the middle where it says text arrow. We're going to go off. We're just going to turn that off. And we're going to set this as our default because we do not want that arrow to reappear. So go to save as default. Saved it. And then we're going to say, okay, that is what we want. And now we're going to go down here and we're going to say, this is the lowest point. So if you made it up to this part, good job. So over here, since this is a green candle, we're going to click over here. And we're going to put that as the open because at this point, we are labeling the green candle. So open. Remember, we can barely see that. So we want to slide it over just a little bit. So you're going to right click. You're going to go to activate drawing. And we want to activate the note, the text note. So it turns blue. So we're going to drag it over a little bit so we can visibly see it. And we're going to click out of it. And now we can see it. So if this is the open, this has to be the close. So we're going to click right here. One click. And we're going to put close. Perfect. Now we're going to label the body. And the body is this box between the open and the close. This is called the body. So we're going to do one click inside and we're going to write body. Click it. And now we have properly labeled our candle. So now we're done with our label. How do we erase all this stuff? We're going to right click. We're going to go down to clear drawing set. Remember, our box is going to populate and it says, are you sure you want to remove all drawings from this set default on all your devices? We're going to say yes. And now it's done. So you have learned the text note and the oval and how to properly label a candle.